We'll now go to Abia State, where in a move to promote accountability and drive grassroots development, the Abia State Progressive Youths, a group advocating for good governance through transparency and effective policy implementation, has paid a courtesy visit to the mayor of Ohafia local government area, Eleanya Ojuu Kalu. The visit focused on improving access to healthcare and education in rural communities. Our correspondent, Moses Ben, reports development.
A group of young people driven by a shared vision for a better Abia arrived at the mayor's office. They were members of the Abia Progressive Youth, a coalition committed to promoting good governance, accountability, and quality service delivery in rural areas. At the heart of their mission is the Work for Good Governance project, an initiative supported by the Nigerian Youth Futures Fund, designed to ensure that public office holders remain accountable for the funds released to them monthly. Their destination this time was the office of the mayor of Ohafia local government area, Eleanya Ojuu Kalu. Leading the delegation, the president of Abia Progressive Youth, Ekejuba Kingsley Dabirichi, commended the mayor for the visible transformation taking place within the council. With a tone of optimism, he urged him to join hands with the group in advancing transparency and development through the Work for Good Governance project.
Having these young people advocate for something and seeing government respond in that manner was really a very good one for us. So we decided to continue in that line this year, to go deeper, to work with government to make sure that this work going on at the local government level, at the ward level, translates to the resources spent and the overall scope and plan of government in those projects. This is how all of this came about, and when we noted that you emerged as mayor of this local government, we decided to also pay you a visit, as well as other mayors across the 17 local government areas, to understand what they are doing at the grassroots level, especially in the area of primary health care and basic education, which is where we are majorly focused on.
In his remarks, the Ohafia coordinator of the group, Mark Asonye, outlined specific areas of concern, including the need for improved health care delivery and revitalized educational infrastructure within the local government.
Successful healthcare delivery in Ohafia local government. I could go on and on, the list goes on and on. Every too, I've been to a few places and you realize that they are largely understaffed, and for us we think in 2025 it is not supposed to be that way. So we are hoping that those inadequacies will be filled. And then to our education sector, I visited Comprehensive, and it wasn't anything to write home about.
Responding with appreciation, Mayor Eleanya Ojuu Kalu welcomed the youth initiative, describing it as timely and inspiring. He assured them that their request would receive due attention.
The one thing we know is that they cannot do all of them at once. So it's going to be in phases. I think currently we are doing about 200 or so, you mentioned. After that, next year, another batch will be added to it until we have all our primary health centers in the standard and condition that we want them to be. The same thing on the basic education we talked about. One of the things His Excellency did once he came in was to declare a truly transparent, free education.
As the meeting came to a close, there was a sense of shared purpose in the air, a reflection of young voices determined to shape the future through advocacy, partnership, and accountability. In Ohafia, the Work for Good Governance had just taken another firm step forward. And Moses Ben, Rapid TV News.